Welcome to our video on cybersecurity governance. We'll explore the critical components that establish effective security management: policies, procedures, standards, and laws. Governance processes are the foundation, providing clear guidance and accountability for all security efforts within an organization. These processes ensure your organization's cybersecurity practices are robust, providing clear guidance and accountability from top to bottom. Effective governance aligns security with broader business goals while ensuring strict compliance with all relevant legal requirements. First up are policies. These are high-level statements that define the what needs to be achieved and the why behind your security expectations. Think of policies as the strategic guidelines, or the rules of the road, steering all security efforts and providing a framework for critical decision-making. A prime example is a data classification policy, which requires information to be categorized as confidential, internal, or public, dictating corresponding handling procedures. Next, we have procedures. These are the detailed, step-by-step instructions for successfully implementing those high-level policies. Procedures transform policies into actionable tasks, like following a recipe, ensuring everyone knows exactly how to execute a security requirement consistently. An incident response procedure details the exact steps, from containment to investigation and recovery, that must be followed during a security breach. Third are standards. These are mandatory technical or operational requirements that support both policies and procedures. Standards act as measurable benchmarks, specifying the must-dos to ensure consistency and maintain the required level of security across all systems. For instance, an encryption standard might mandate the use of AES-256 for all sensitive data, ensuring uniform, high-quality protection. Finally, we cover regulations and laws. These are external rules, enforced by governments or regulatory bodies. These are the, quote, traffic laws of cybersecurity. They are legally enforceable and carry penalties for non-compliance, protecting individual rights and public safety. Examples include GDPR, which mandates strict data privacy for EU citizens, and HIPAA, which sets standards for protecting health information in the United States. Let's quickly summarize the 4 crucial elements of cybersecurity governance. Policies provide the high-level strategic direction, defining what to achieve. Procedures detail the step-by-step process for consistent implementation. Standards enforce mandatory consistency and quality in technical implementation, while regulations and laws ensure legal necessity and compliance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on cybersecurity, and comment below with any questions you may have.